Hey guys, welcome to Corn Masters. I am Deepshika. I hope you all are doing well and a very good evening to all of you. So today I'll be discussing about the job vacancies which are released by three companies. So I want to tell you that it's not just for CSC, ISC or IT. It will be for any branch. So yes, mechanical, civil, uh, electrical can also apply. So stay with me so that you can get to know about the companies you can apply to, right? So the first company we are going to talk about is InnoMinds. So what does it want in you? So the it is hiring freshers. First thing is it is hiring freshers. The eligibility criteria is 70% and above in all academics. That is your graduation, your 10th, your 12th, then graduated in year 2018, 2019, 2020. 2018 के बच्चे 19 और 20 they can apply BE BTech in CSE EC and IT, MCA or MTech. This is what they are wanting. 0 to 1 year experience, trained candidates they want. अब किस में आपकी ट्रेनिंग होनी चाहिए रिक्वायरमेंट्स में वो बताया हुआ है. फर्स्ट इज उन्होंने काफी सारी पोस्ट रिलीज की हैं. ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग में they have 20 positions for you, right? So the primary skills that they want for, if you are applying for automation testing, they have a separate code for it, job code, that is testing 2020. And the primary skills that they want in you is automation testing with Python or Java, right? So the next requirement is Java, and for that they have 15 positions for you. The primary skills are Java or J2EE, and the code is Java 2020. I think you have to apply these codes when you are applying for the job. So you will be required to mention for which post or position you want to apply. So in order to mention that position, you have to mention it by code. So they have mentioned the codes testing 2020 for Java, Java 2020. So the next thing is Python. Python, you have 15 positions. So the code is Python 2020. And the last one is UI. That is 10 positions they have for this. And for this, they have code this one, right? UI dash React JS 2020. Okay. So you have separate codes. Whatever skills you have, just on the basis of that, apply for the positions you are interested in and use the codes. So the next thing is tests कौन से होंगे आपके. The first will be aptitude, communication and technical for 2 hours duration, and you need 60% score to qualify for interview. आपके आपका 2 hours का टेस्ट होगा एप्टीट्यूड, कम्युनिकेशन और टेक्निकल, और उसमें आपके 60% आने चाहिए इन ऑर्डर टू क्वालिफाई. और ये टेस्ट जो होंगे ये ऑनलाइन होंगे, राइट? एंड द वर्क लोकेशन इज वाइजैक, हैदराबाद. ओके. So the next thing is it is for the role of software developer and testing engineers. Okay, it is for the role of software developer and testing engineer. So shortlisted candidate will receive the call letter. Okay, आपको इस लिंक पे जाना है, ये जो लिंक बताई है इस पे जाना है and you can apply, right? We are hiring trained professionals with below criteria. If you match the below criteria, please apply through below link. This is the link. This is the link, guys. You have to apply on this link. Go to this link and apply. So the next company we are going to talk about is Danfoss. It is for the position of trainee. All right. And the job location is Chennai. Okay. And the batch is 2019 and 2020. Eligible branch is any branch. So the mechanical and the civil people who were asking if there are any posts for them, if there are any posts released by any company for mechanical or civil. So this is the company for you guys. So batch is 2019 and 2020 pass outs, and any branch. So mechanical, civil, electrical, computers, IT, anybody can apply. Okay. So what is the qualification? A graduate 3 year or 4 year degree in any stream, right? And experience is fresher. So let's discuss more about this. So what will be your job responsibilities? Support to the fulfillment team first, daily activities of implementing process changes, problem solving, right? Third is gathering data, making observations about the process and communicating ideas to improve results. So backgrounds and skills, पहला तो मैंने आपको बता दिया 3 या 4 साल की डिग्री इन एनी स्ट्रीम. देन या तो तुम फ्रेशर हो या तो तुम 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस लेके बैठे हो इन लॉजिस्टिक्स, वेयर हाउस, कस्टमर सर्विस और अंडर ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट और सप्लाई चेन. थर्ड इज गुड एटीट्यूड एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ प्रोसेसेस. फोर्थ इज कंप्यूटर स्किल्स, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस एप्लीकेशन, good communication, customer service mindset, and ability to stay calm under pressure are necessary traits. So these are the traits that they'll look into you and they'll pose questions to you, uh, to get an idea what kind of personality you are, and are you like uh, fitting into the criteria that they have mentioned here for the job role that they have posted. So the next company we will be talking about is Systech, right? It is for the position of .NET trainee. ओके. सो जो भी जिन्होंने भी .NET में कोई कोर्स कर रखा है या जिनको .NET अच्छे से आता है, दे कैन अप्लाई. And job description may they have mentioned is 2019 and 2020 passed outs or candidates with 1 year of experience who are interested to join as freshers, they can apply. Okay, जिनको 1 साल का experience है और जो as a fresher join करना चाहते हैं, interested हैं, they can apply. Okay. Open positions is 6 positions open है. And job location is Bangalore. Qualification is BE, BTech, MSc, MCA, MBA, BSc, BCA. Then eligible branch is computers and ISC. Then batch is 2019 and 2020, as I told you. So the next thing we are going to discuss about are your job descriptions, then more about the skill sets and all, your tests. Educational qualification, UG plus UG or PG with IT specialization, statistics, analytics. Candidates जैसे मैंने बोला 2019 and 2020 batches. 10th and 12th में 65% और above. Okay. और जो भी आप जिस भी फील्ड में ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हो या बीएससी, बीसीए, एमबीए, एमसीए, एमएससी, बीटेक, बीई कुछ भी कर रहे हो, उसमें आपका 65%, उसमें भी 65% एंड अबव you should have, right? So the next thing is skill sets. .NET is mandatory. अगर आपको .NET नहीं आता है तो you should not apply for this post because maybe they'll pose you questions on this only, and if you're not able to like answer तो कैसे चलेगा. So database में knowledge of SQL and RDBMS concepts mandatory they have mentioned. Excellent verbal and written communication abilities. Aptitude should be good. Analytical skills. Willingness to take initiatives and assume leadership roles. Willingness to travel. So candidates who have been trained in .NET and SQL are eligible to participate in this interview process. As I said, अगर आपने कुछ .NET में सर्टिफिकेशन कर रखा है या आप ट्रेंड हो इसमें, आपने कॉलेज के टाइम पे अच्छे से पढ़ा है और आपको आता है SQL and .NET, you should apply for this post. So the interview process will be online, technical, and the third one will be HR. So online में क्या होगा? There will be 2 levels. First level is pre-screening in aptitude and .NET. That will be for 30 minutes. And the second one is aptitude, .NET, SQL या RDBMS and communication का 1 hour and 45 minutes का test. 1 hour and 45 minutes का test. Okay. सो 2 levels पे आपका ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होगा. Then you will be having technical interview and you will be evaluated on the basis of analytical, logical, .NET, RDBMS or SQL skills. And third, as you know, HR आपका होगा इंटरव्यू, जिसमें आपको आपका देखा जाएगा कम्युनिकेशन कैसा है, बिहेवियरल स्किल्स क्या है. सो जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या रहेगी आपकी. You will have an 8 to 10 weeks का training on .NET, and this program includes lectures, classroom participation, labs, projects, and जब आप ये complete कर लेंगे अपनी training and certification, then you are ready to implement. Then you are expected to be ready to implement .NET solutions at different stages of project life cycle. Then you will start working, and once you get into this company, you will have to sign a 3-year bond with them, right? सो ये सोच के ही आप अप्लाई करना, क्योंकि ये चीजें बहुत ही जरूरी होती है. कुछ कुछ मैंने देखे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, वो लोग पूरा अच्छे से बॉन्ड पढ़ के नहीं जाते हैं, या क्या क्या उन्होंने मेंशंस किए रखे होते हैं अपनी कंपनी के क्राइटेरिया या कुछ भी सेक्शंस में, एंड दे गो देयर एंड दे आर लाइक सरप्राइज कि ये क्या हो गया, ये तो था ही नहीं, बॉन्ड तो था ही नहीं. सो आई जस्ट सजेस्ट यू दैट लिंक जो है हर कंपनी का डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया जाएगा. इफ यू वांट टू डिग डीप इनटू द प्रोफाइल एंड ऑल, कंपनी का डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ना चाहते हैं या छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स पढ़ना चाहते हैं, डू read them and apply for these positions if you are interested. So all the very best, have a good time, take care, bye bye.